What if I told you that you could work in one of the safest, richest countries in Europe, earning a high-paying salary with free accommodation and meals included? This is not a scam. It is not a clickbait. Now, here is the secret. Switzerland is quietly opening thousands of jobs in 2026 for foreign workers, and many positions don't even require a degree, years of experience, or English fluency. Today, I'll be walking you through everything entirely from the jobs that are currently available, the salaries that you can earn, the visa process, and exactly how to apply directly from your home country. By the end of this video, you could be one step closer to starting a brand new life in Switzerland. Hey guys, welcome again to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, make sure to share this video so it goes viral and the algorithm can know that we are truly making impact here. Now, this is just to let you know, Switzerland might seem like the perfect European country, European dream, but now this is what most people don't know. There is a serious labor shortage. The population is aging, birth rates are declining, and essential industries like hospitality, logistics, healthcare, and construction are desperately understaffed. The young Swiss workers often prefer office jobs, leaving gaps in jobs that keep the company running smoothly. And I've noticed this in other similar countries as well in Europe. This is not just in Switzerland. Now, this is why the Swiss employers are now looking abroad for talent. And here is the best part. You don't need a university degree, years of experience, or even any connections inside Switzerland. Anyone with reliability, punctuality, and willingness to learn can get hired. Now, let's talk about money and opportunity, because this is where it gets exciting. I'm going to start with the very first sector, which is in hospitality. Now, for the roles, let's say you are a waiter, a receptionist, housekeeper, or you're looking to go into housekeeping or a kitchen staff, your salary range would be around 3,800 euro to 4,500 euro. Okay, and some of these jobs are likely to provide you with free meals and accommodation sometimes. Now, talking about the logistics and warehousing sector, they have the roles officially open for forklift operators, packagers, and sorting staff. So if you are into any of these kind of positions, or if you're looking to go into this kind of positions that I've mentioned, a forklift operator, a packager, or a sorting staff, your salary range should be between 4,000 and 4,600 euro. And I want you to be aware that this particular sector is in high demand due to e-commerce. Up next, the next sector would be in construction and skilled labor. Now, here we have people looking to go into electrician, if you're a painter, plumber, or a mechanic, then this one is for you. So you should be expecting to get into, your salary expectation should be around 4,200 euro to 5,000 euro monthly. Okay, now this is because they are always hiring. Like there's always rapid hiring here into many positions. Up next is the healthcare support sector. Now, in this one, or in this sector rather, we have the care assistants, the elderly, caregivers, hospital cleaners. So if you know that you are a caregiver or a care assistant or a hospital cleaner, right, you literally don't need a degree for this one. At least if you've had experiences and some certifications, this can give you a leverage, right? Salary range would be around 3,000 to 2,500 euro as well. Some also offer training. Okay. Up next, I'm going to be talking about the next sector, which would be in factory and food processing. Now, you should be looking into roles that are into packaging, machine operators, quality control. Now, your salary expectation for this role would be around 3,900 to 4,800 marks. It would either be low or more, depending on your experience as well. Now, this sector often includes paid on-the-job training. So guys, all of these are very, very interesting. So if you know that you are skilled in any of these sectors that I've mentioned, go for it. Okay, now some employers also provide health insurance, relocation support, paid leave, and contract renewals. So if you're already in Switzerland, or you are in any of the European countries, or you are also in any country that is not in Europe, okay, you can apply as long as you are not asked to pay anything. Now, imagine earning a great salary while your living costs are partially covered. This is what makes Switzerland so attractive. Well, the thing is, it is highly competitive. I would like to let you know that it is highly competitive because most times the Swiss government or the Swiss recruiters would ask you to have at least an EU citizen card or a passport to enable you come over there to work. But for this kind of jobs that are in demand, it is most likely for you to be hired if you are experienced, okay, and if you know where to look and the right way to apply. Let me tell you a quick story. A friend of mine from Africa applied for a housekeeping job in Geneva, and he didn't speak perfect English. He had no prior international experience, and you know what happened? Within 6 weeks, he was earning 4,200 euro with free accommodation. So this could be you next year. Now, the next question is, do I need a degree, advanced skills, or an English certification? Well, the truth is you don't. You don't necessarily need a degree, at least probably an advanced skills experience, most likely to give you an upper hand or an edge because it is a competitive one, remember. Now, what do you need to apply? I'm going to be telling you real quick. Grab a paper and a pen. First, you need a valid international passport. Secondly, you need a clean criminal record. Thirdly, you need basic English, fluent at least, to be able to communicate properly. And you need German skills as well, at least A2 level, to help you understand basic communication if you can, because in Switzerland, we have the Swiss German, we have English speakers as well. So it's going to be better and helpful that you learn. I always would advise anybody going to any European country, learn the language before you would transition to that country to help you and help your life as well. Okay? Now, number 4, you need a job offer from a Swiss employer, which is what you have to apply from this video. Okay? Now, if you are reliable, punctual, and a fast learner, Swiss employers will value you more than someone with a fancy degree. And that's the beauty of this opportunity. Once you secure a job offer, the process is very, very simple. Number 1, your employer applies for your work permit, which is a normal procedure. Number 2, the Swiss Migration Office reviews your application, and then you get an L or the B permit. Then number 4, you apply for your visa, which would usually take about months. Okay, it depends. So I'm not promising you on how long. It depends. Sometimes it can take 6 months, sometimes it can take below 6 months, sometimes it can take up to 1 year. It depends on the employer. Okay, now number 5, travel to Switzerland, start working, and even have the chance to bring your family later through family reunification. Now, this opportunity is streamlined and the system is designed to get international workers into Switzerland efficiently. Okay? Alright, now let's get practical. I'm going to be telling you the best places, which is the website, to find the verified Swiss jobs that are hiring and would likely provide you with sponsorship, okay, or assistance with the work permit. Okay, the very first one would be jobs.ch. Now, jobs.ch, type it into your Google search bar and search. Now, this is Switzerland's largest job portal. You can switch to English if it's not in English language. If it's in German, you can switch to English. And then this particular portal lists thousands of vacancies in hospitality, logistics, healthcare, construction, IT, and many more. So you have to use filters. I always say use filters, okay? By city, depending on the one you are interested in. If you want to go for the hospitality or logistics or healthcare, filter it to that one, that particular sector. Then filter again by city, filter again by contract type, filter by the language as well. Remember, it depends on the language you can speak. But I already suggested you learn both the German and fluent English. Now, their AI smart search would even match your CV with suitable jobs automatically, which is also a very good one. Now, the second website I'll be mentioning is Indeed. Indeed is a very good platform if you need to get jobs that sponsor. So try making search using Indeed. Okay, now you want to check indeed.ch. Now, Indeed would also always provide you with fresh listings every few minutes. Make sure you always turn on bells, set on your emails to get job notifications. This particular website is best for warehouse, hotel, cleaning, and factory jobs. Turn on your job alert again. Turn on your job alert. I'm repeating, turn on your job alert so you don't miss any updates. Now, focus on companies that support work permits while you're checking on Indeed. Now, the third one is Europa.eu. Europa.eu. Okay, now this is the Euresh. I always mention Euresh whenever I'm talking about job portals that are sponsoring in Europe because it's one of the biggest job portal sponsoring in Europe. Now, this is again the EU's official job portal. It is perfect for legitimate government verified opportunities. Currently, tens of thousands of companies are there in Switzerland waiting for international applicants. So don't sleep on this one. Okay? Now, I would always say that before you apply for any job, make sure that you have a professional CV. If you're applying to an European country, make sure you use an European standard CV. Let's say the Europass CV format to make your CV stand out, and make sure you tailor each of your the CV for each industry that you're applying for. Never use the same CV for every application. You get what I mean? Never use the same CV for every application if you want to get response. Make sure that you use let's take an instance. I'm going to give you this tip. This is an addition for you if you're watching this video. Now, let's say you're applying for a cleaning job, and then on the description of the job, okay, and then it says, we want you to know how to clean, be dedicated in your work, should have experience for 5 years. Make sure all of these things are written word for word. Okay, that's how you do it, but make sure you list the words in the description of these jobs that are on the portal, highlighting them in the CV to make it searchable. Okay, all right. Now, up next, I'm going to be telling you, of course, a better tip to help you stand out. Right? You have to always apply early in the week, Monday through Wednesdays, for higher response rate. Okay, this is when the recruiters are always active in the mornings, very early from 10 a.m., 9 a.m. European time. Okay, Mondays through Wednesdays. Customize your CV again to match the role that you're applying for. Focus on employers that are offering visa sponsorship, and then apply to at least 10 to 15 jobs per day. In 1 month, that is 300 applications in front of recruiters. You have a higher chance of getting at least 1 or 2 responses from them. So remember, opportunities are fast moving. One smart application could change your life. And you know what the secret is? Most foreign applicants don't follow up or customize their CVs. If you do, you're already ahead of 90% of the competition. Okay? So guys, if you've been dreaming of better life abroad, 2026 is your prayer come true. Your prayer being answered. Check those job links. Don't procrastinate. Prepare your Europass CV. Start applying today. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on your bells so you never miss updates on these kind of opportunities. Make sure you share this video with anyone looking for a fresh start. So, until then, I wish you all the best and happy holidays. Merry Christmas in advance. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.